The future doesn't arrive in a single moment. It emerges from the collision of technologies that were once separate, now converging into something none of us can fully predict. By 2026, we won't be living in a world transformed by one breakthrough. We'll be navigating a landscape shaped by dozens of innovations happening simultaneously, each amplifying the others. In this video, we're counting down the 20 tech trends that researchers, industry leaders, and forecasters say will define 2026 and fundamentally alter how we live, work, and connect with each other. This isn't speculation, this is what's already in motion. Let's dive in. Number 20, Agentic AI. Right now, most AI waits for you to ask it something, but Agentic AI doesn't wait. It plans, adapts, and acts on its own. Companies like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic are already testing systems that can handle multi-step workflows without constant human supervision. By 2026, industries like logistics, healthcare, and finance could be running on AI agents that don't just generate answers, but make decisions, coordinate teams, and figure out when a human actually needs to step in. McKinsey estimates that AI automation could touch 60 to 70% of current job activities. But here's the thing, it's not about replacement, it's about AI handling the invisible, tedious steps that burn through human time and attention, freeing up people for work that actually requires judgment and creativity. Number 19, bioprinting and quantum computing. Two separate revolutions are happening in parallel, and both are accelerating faster than most people realize. Bioprinting has moved from concept to clinical trials, with labs now 3D printing skin and organ tissues for testing and transplantation. At the same time, quantum computing just hit major milestones. IBM's 1,121-qubit Condor chip and Google's advances in quantum algorithms are pushing us closer to solving problems classical computers will never crack. By 2026, bioprinting could revolutionize drug testing, while quantum machines tackle optimization challenges in materials science, cryptography, and molecular simulation. Global analysts project the 3D bioprinting market alone will exceed $4 billion by 2027. When you combine that with quantum's trajectory, you're looking at two frontiers that could redefine medicine, manufacturing, and security all at once. Number 18, AI-driven energy systems. Here's the paradox. AI is consuming more energy than ever, and at the same time, AI is the only thing that can manage that consumption. The International Energy Agency predicts that data center electricity use could double by 2026. That's unsustainable without intervention. DeepMind already proved the concept by using AI to cut Google's cooling costs by 40%. Now, grid operators worldwide are deploying machine learning to balance renewable energy sources, predict demand spikes, and optimize battery storage in real time. AI isn't just a technology anymore, it's becoming the infrastructure that keeps itself running. Number 17, physical AI. Robots used to be good at one thing, repetition, but physical AI is changing that. Tesla's Optimus robot was demonstrated folding laundry in 2024. Japan is piloting service robots in elder care facilities. John Deere tractors are already farming autonomously using AI vision systems. By 2026, expect physical AI to be embedded in factories, hospitals, and logistics centers, doing work that earlier generations of robots simply couldn't handle. The global robotics market is projected to surpass $200 billion by 2030, according to Statista. And the reason is simple. AI is giving machines the ability to adapt, learn, and think on the move. Number 16, synthetic biology plus AI. AI is rewriting the rules of biology. DeepMind's AlphaFold cracked protein folding with stunning accuracy, unlocking entirely new pathways for drug discovery. Isomorphic Labs, a spin-off from DeepMind, partnered with major pharmaceutical companies in 2024 to accelerate development timelines. By 2026, synthetic biology won't just be about medicine. AI-designed enzymes are already being tested for biodegradable plastics and sustainable food production. We're entering an era where biology becomes programmable, and AI is writing the code. Number 15, Sovereign AI. AI is no longer just a technology race, it's a geopolitical strategy. Countries are building their own AI models to maintain control over data, infrastructure, and decision-making systems. France launched Mistral, an EU-backed open-source model. Saudi Arabia and the UAE established sovereign AI investment funds. By 2026, localized AI systems will be central to national security and digital independence, reducing reliance on platforms controlled by the US or China. The EU alone has committed billions under its Digital Europe program. AI isn't just shaping economies anymore, it's shaping borders. Number 14, extended reality. Augmented and virtual reality are breaking out of the gaming world. Walmart has already trained over 1 million employees using VR simulations. Meta and Apple are pushing mixed reality headsets designed for work, education, and entertainment. By 2026, XR could be mainstream in classrooms, corporate training programs, and retail environments where customers try on clothes or explore products in virtual stores before buying. This isn't about escaping reality, it's about layering digital tools onto the physical world to make everyday tasks faster, cheaper, and more intuitive.
Number 13, AI-powered autonomous robots. Robots are leaving factories and entering public spaces. Amazon's Scout delivery bot has been tested for last-mile logistics. Starship Technologies is already running delivery fleets across U.S. college campuses. In 2024, Seoul introduced autonomous cleaning robots in subway stations. By 2026, expect more service robots in warehouses, restaurants, hospitals, and city streets, powered by better mapping, computer vision, and AI decision-making. The shift is subtle but significant. Robots are no longer confined to controlled environments. They're becoming part of everyday infrastructure. Number 12, Smart Infrastructure and IoT 2.0. The Internet of Things is evolving. By 2030, the number of connected devices is expected to exceed 30 billion, with billions already online today. Cities like Singapore and Barcelona are embedding sensors to monitor traffic, air quality, and utilities in real time. By 2026, IoT 2.0 will move beyond basic smart gadgets to fully adaptive environments where infrastructure responds instantly to changing conditions, cutting costs and improving safety. Statista projects global IoT spending could hit $1.6 trillion by 2025. That level of investment signals a fundamental shift. Our cities, homes, and workplaces are becoming intelligent systems. Number 11, AI-native infrastructure. Data centers are being rebuilt from scratch for AI workloads. NVIDIA's GPUs dominate today, but startups like Cerebras and Graphcore are designing chips optimized specifically for large language models and neural networks. Cloud providers are overhauling storage and networking to handle AI-scale computation. By 2026, AI-native infrastructure will mean systems designed entirely around machine learning, not retrofitted for it. This shift is invisible to most users, but it's critical for scaling AI to the next level. Number 10, Cobots and multifunctional robots. Collaborative robots, or Cobots, are designed to work alongside humans, not replace them. In 2024, Universal Robots surpassed 75,000 Cobot installations worldwide, used in packaging, assembly, and food service. By 2026, expect multifunctional robots that can switch tasks on the fly, moving from factory floors to healthcare settings with minimal reprogramming. This makes automation far more flexible and accessible than traditional industrial robots ever were. Number 9. Privacy-first AI. With data breaches and surveillance concerns growing, on-device AI is gaining serious traction. Apple already runs parts of its generative AI locally on iPhones. Qualcomm has built chips optimized for AI tasks that don't require cloud connectivity. By 2026, privacy-first AI could become the standard for mobile health apps, personal assistants, and financial tools, giving users faster responses and more control over their own data.
Number 8. Vertical AI agents. Instead of building one AI that does everything poorly, companies are creating domain-specific agents trained for narrow, expert-level tasks. In 2024, hospitals began piloting medical AI assistants trained on clinical datasets. Financial institutions tested compliance-focused copilots. By 2026, vertical AI agents could be standard in logistics, retail, and law, built to navigate specialized knowledge and regulations that general-purpose models can't handle effectively. Number 7. AI agents in everyday tools. AI is quietly embedding itself into the tools you already use. Microsoft Office now includes Copilot. Adobe Photoshop introduced Generative Fill. Google Workspace uses AI to draft documents and summarize emails. By 2026, most productivity and creative software will have AI baked in as a core feature, not an add-on. That means your tools will start anticipating what you need instead of waiting for commands.
Number 6. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. BCIs are moving from research labs into real-world trials. In 2024, Neuralink received FDA approval for human studies, and Synchron implanted brain interfaces in U.S. patients to restore mobility and communication. By 2026, BCIs may expand from medical applications into early consumer experiments in gaming and hands-free interaction. They won't be mainstream yet, but the progress is accelerating, with growing interest from both the medical field and the tech industry. Number 5. AI native operating systems. Traditional operating systems are being reimagined. Instead of apps and menus, AI-first OS platforms will center on natural language interaction and automated workflows. Microsoft's Copilot integration across Windows and Office is an early signal. Experimental projects like Rabbit R1's natural language interface hint at what's coming. By 2026, AI-native OS designs could fundamentally change how devices from laptops to cars function at their core. Number 4. Hybrid IT and cloud repatriation. Companies are rethinking their cloud strategies. Rising costs and security concerns are driving workloads back from public cloud providers to private or hybrid setups. A 2024 survey by 451 Research found that over 50% of enterprises are moving some workloads back on-premise. By 2026, cloud repatriation and hybrid IT will be standard practice, blending edge computing, private infrastructure, and public cloud resources for better control, efficiency, and cost management. Number 3. AI-powered automation in workflows. AI isn't just automating individual tasks anymore, it's running entire workflows. McKinsey reported in 2023 that generative AI could add up to $4.4 trillion annually to the global economy, largely through workflow automation. By 2026, businesses could be using AI to automate legal contract drafting, medical records processing, and supply chain coordination, creating operations that are faster, cheaper, and more efficient across every sector. Number 2. Edge computing and 6G. Edge computing processes data closer to where it's generated, reducing latency and bandwidth use. Telecom companies are rolling out 5G edge services, while 6G research is advancing in South Korea, Japan, and Finland. By 2026, edge computing will power real-time industrial IoT applications, while early 6G trials could enable ultra-fast, ultra-low latency applications for AR, robotics, and autonomous vehicles. Together, they'll redefine what network speed and reliability actually mean. Number 1. Digital identity and decentralized trust. As AI-generated content floods the internet, verifying what's real is becoming critical. Governments and companies are turning to blockchain-based digital IDs and decentralized verification systems. The EU is developing a digital identity wallet. Projects like WorldCoin are experimenting with biometric-based IDs. By 2026, digital identity and decentralized trust frameworks could underpin everything from financial transactions to AI governments, ensuring authenticity in an increasingly synthetic world.
The global digital identity market is projected to surpass $70 billion by 2027. With that kind of momentum, digital trust is shaping up to be one of the most essential infrastructures of the next decade. If you made it this far, drop your thoughts in the comments. Which trend are you most excited or concerned about? And for more deep dives into the future, check out the video on your screen right now. Thanks for watching.